everyone, welcome back to the studio. So today I'm going to do a black and white puddle pour. Now I've done that in a previous video and I did miss the tilting of the design on that actual video. So we're going to try to capture that and have a painting that comes out looking just as amazing when we're finished. So keep an eye out on this video, and then at the end I'll show you both of those paintings so you can compare. We're going to do a black and white puddle pour. I think it's called a puddle pour, that's what I call it. And I'm going to put a background on this one of white. The last one that I did not have a background on it and it didn't flow as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add some paint as a background today. Alright, so I have my background done in white, and I have placed my blacks and whites, which are just craft paints, and they are mixed with my Floetrol mix you'll see at the end. I have the True Flow Sax Acrylic in Mars Black, and I have the True Flow Sax Acrylic in Titanium White. So I'm using those today. So we're just going to create puddles in no specific pattern around my canvas. So looks like my camera's still rolling. I'm getting ready now to tilt and get everything out of the way. Now this is going to cause a lot of paint. You'll see when I lift this, there's a paper towel underneath from the last pour, and it was all the same paintings. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it loosened up enough to get moving. Yep, here we go. Now I do see some bubbles. Let me get those. We don't want those to affect our beautiful shape, do we? And a lot of these bubbles are because I just mixed this up really quickly to get started. Alright, we're going to come toward you first. And we're going to stretch all that back after we get over the side. Maybe we're just going to go to the edges first. All right. Bring it back to the middle. You see it moving? Now, this is what's lovely about this pattern, is you can see the weight of the paint moving right there. All right, I'm bringing it down to this corner now. So you see it sliding. So we're going to kind of lose that one section. That's okay though. Come on, let's go. All right. I do want to bring it back though. So bring the weight back to the center, and then I'm going to go down this way. And then to this corner. Nice pattern. I love that it's holding its shape a good bit. All right, so we're going to bring it back a little bit, and then we're going to go down and capture that corner there. Here we go. Alright, so as soon as that hits the end, we're going to be okay. Wonderful. Alright, bring it back just a little bit. I think I love this. All right, so this is our final painting. I think I love it.